Hello everyone, this is your friend Olivia and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block internet access for a specific application in Windows 11. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our work. Now let's get started. First, find the application you want to block. Right-click on it and choose Show More Options. Then click on Properties. In the Properties window, click on Open File Location. Once the folder opens, copy the full path from the address bar, then close all open windows. Next, click on the Start icon and go to Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. Now open Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Advanced Settings and allow permission if asked. From the below taskbar, click on Defender Firewall icon to open it. In the Windows Defender Firewall window, click on Outbound Rules on the left. Then on the right side, click on New Rule. In the new Outbound Rule wizard, select Program and click Next. Now you can either paste the path you copied earlier or manually select the application. To do it manually, we need to click on Browse. Click on OK on this pop-up. Then we need to open C Drive, then Program Files, as we want to block Google Chrome's internet service. That's why we need to open Google folder, then Chrome, then Application. Finally, here we have to select the chrome.exe file and click Open. Then click Next. Make sure Block the Connection is selected. Click Next again, then once more. Now give this rule a name, for example Google, and click Finish. That's it. Now let's test it. Open the application and try to visit any website. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, but the app can't access the internet. To re-enable internet access, open Windows Defender Firewall again. Select the rule you created and click Delete on the right-hand side. Confirm by clicking Yes. Now, if we open Chrome and reload the site, as you can see, it's working properly. So friends, this is how you block and unblock internet access for any specific application in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Tech Hunter for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.